Gold has again created fresh highs, record highs here yesterday, and as we expected and discussed, it has shown its fragility on the upside and has seen a dip towards 2860 levels. While silver has also failed to break beyond 3250-60 zone and has now come towards the support zone at 3220. What to expect today from gold and silver? Can we expect the bull run to continue? Can we expect gold to break past beyond 2900 levels? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and a drop. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Key data sets today which is going to definitely impact the metals prices. First is the non-farm productivity data, second is the labor cost data, and third is the weekly initial jobless claims. So these three data points before the US session might bring little volatility, and thus you should be trading with caution. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch gold on the early charts. After trading with divergence from the 20 period, it has come down and it is seen taking support from the 20 period moving average. Now, it is very important for gold to break below 2860 levels. That is the level below which you can expect slight bearishness here. And then, if it trades below 2860, you can expect it to move towards 2850 and 2840 levels as the next two supports, which are going to be there. Now, this zone between 2850 and is an extremely crucial support here for gold for the day. If it breaks 2840 today, I think we can expect gold to move directly towards 2820 and lower levels. But right now it is not showing any such sign of a strong reversal. Look at the stochastic. This is overbought and trying to take a dip. The MACD is also trading with divergence, looking downwards, trading bearish, and this crossover has come at a peak here, which indicates that there is a possibility. Look what has happened here can get replicated here as well. The RSI is also dropped. When you see the 2-hour charts, you can see similar observation. Look at the support it is getting from 2860 levels and see what has happened. A stronger rise, then retracement, then a rise, and now it is just consolidating here at around this zone. So thus it is very important for gold to break below 2860 in order to confirm further bearishness. Stochastic is rising here though, but look at the MACD. This is crossed over. This is trading with divergence. Now this opening of the mouth here suggests more bearishness, increasing bearishness here. This suggests that the further forthcoming candles might gonna remain in red, but yet, as I said, it has to break below 2860. See, these are lagging indicators, means these are formed once the data or the price has moved, then only these are created. And right now it is suggestive of bearishness, but again these are markets and couple of greener candles may reverse the trend. However, right now the indications are not pretty much in support of further rise. The RSI is coming out of the overbought zone here, coming to 3 hour. Now on the 3-hour chart, see, after a stronger rise, it has shown a reversal sign. First bearish candle, consolidation. Now even if you see the consolidation here, you can see higher lows are getting created. Thus again, it is very important for gold to come out of this zone, and then we can see a greater dip here, which can take the prices towards 20 period. And if this is taken, that is 2850 and 2840 levels are taken, you can expect a greater correction here. Notice what has happened with after every rise, retracement, rise, retracement, then bigger the rise, bigger the retracement, and now this is again a bigger rise, so a little retracement can be expected. See, the price cannot just keep on going upwards, though some point of time it has to retrace. And yes, also notice right now it is not showing any signs of bearishness. Thus you need to wait patiently for it to confirm the bearishness and then take a position. Stochastic has dropped. The look at the MACD, it is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. And when you see the MACD in the history, if you find, this is the month of December, you can see it has hit this peak and then a sharp slump is observed. Now it has taken time, it has hit the peak. Possibly a slump can be expected from here. Now notice that it is just remained in this zone for a while, plus 20 to minus 20. And look at the rallies in the past. On the 3-hour charts, it has never crossed in last 1 year plus 20 levels. see whatever whenever it has rallied, it has tried to reverse from the same zone. So this is for the data for the last 1 year, and we have seen the MACD never crossing beyond 20. What, even if it has shown extreme bullishness, it is not crossed beyond these levels. Thus the chances of reversal increases. RSI is also overbought here. Coming to the 4, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See too much of divergence of the price. If it can show this move on the hourly charts where the prices can converge towards 20 period, why it should not show the same on the 4-hour charts? So this also increases the possibility of a dip and a move towards 2850 and 2840 levels. Again, the bigger the rise, the bigger the retracement. And if you notice, see, look at the past few moves here, the acceleration is high because see the slope is suddenly changed. Previously it was trading here like this, now this is trading in this bullish channel. So again, extreme bullishness calls for extreme reversal as well. Look at the exponential rise here. So possibly there is a chance that gold prices might try to take a little dip. Stochastic dropping here, MACD again trying to converge, crossing over. It is not yet crossed over. RSI overbought. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, remember one thing, though all the signs are indicating towards a possible slight retracement in gold prices, but point number one is that it is not yet a complete reversal, that it is not yet turning bearish. A little retracement does not mean a reversal. Keep that point in mind. Second, you have to just stick to the levels here. Yes, right now it is not showing any such sign of a drop here. It is not showing, rather I will say, the strength to drop. So the momentum has to pick up and then the prices to follow. So right now the momentum is missing, and thus you need to wait patiently for a level to break and then only take your positions. Now if you look at the daily chart, similar observation. See, this is a very strong rise what we had seen in the last few weeks. First this was the rise. Even with this rise what we had seen, look at the rise here, then the second run, this is a third run here. And now right now I can say that the bulls appear to be a bit exhausted for the day, but it is not yet confirming a complete reversal. It is still indicating to stay in the channel here. The lows of the channel now at around 28, only below which you can confirm more bearishness. Moving averages looking upwards, stochastic overbought, MACD at extremes again, and the RSI is overbought. So considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a SWIFT-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering the move, I will recommend you to sell only if you see first gold breaking below 2863.5. That is the level at which you can take a selling entry. Be cautious at around 2858.60, the first target level, 2854 the second, 2848.50 the third. If this is taken, then chances will be very very high that the gold prices may move towards 2840.42 the first target zone, 2830.32 the second, and then 2824 the fourth. If at any point of time 2824 is also taken, I think this is a reversal, and then we can stay short for 2820 and 2800 levels. Right now that momentum is missing on the downside, so possibly a retracement towards 2850.40 is what we can expect. That is should be a good support level for the day. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy. Now see, the flip side also is available. If you see gold now trading about 2874.76 zone, yes, you can buy if you see it staying about 2874.76. But then the first and the strongest resistance it is going to face is at 2880.82 levels. And if it trades about 2880.82, stay bullish on the chart, you can expect the next targets are going to be to 2891.92. And if 2891.92 is also taken, I think we are looking forward to 2900 levels. So just stick to the levels. Do not get carried away that the signs are not supportive of the further rise. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. It is showing, or we are expecting a drop, but it is not showing any such bearish sign. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly chart. See higher lows, higher highs, 28 32 $20 $32 levels, is the zone it needs to break, because this is a bullish flag as of now, and once it comes out of this, you can expect slight price correction. Then what are we expecting? We can say that the prices might try to move towards 3160 levels. If it stays below 3220, $32 levels, you can say more bearishness should prevail here. Right now I can see a bit of a struggle here on the upside and on the downside, and it is staying in this bullish channel here. So thus it is very, very important for silver to either break on the upside or on the downside. On the upside now, 3250, 3260 is going to be the most strongest resistance zone. Stochastic at the bottom, MACD trading with divergence is staying bearish looking downwards. RSI has dropped here. On the 2 hour charts, when you see what we had seen on the early charts, price is trading below 20 period. But if you look at the 2 hour charts, it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average. So let it stay below the zone, and that is why I say this zone is going to be important. Else it is a nice bullish flag, breaking out of which you can see more bullishness, breaking out of which you can expect more bullishness here in the silver prices. Stochastic has dropped. MACD after the crossover trading with divergence is staying bearish looking downwards. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone and right now trading bearish. Coming to 3 hour chart. On the 3 hour chart, see, look at the formation here. Now a bigger bearish candle retracement and then this breakout. I will not treat this as bullish as long as it fails to, as long as it stays below 3240. We should not be initiating a buying position here. Also notice I will not recommending a sell as well, as long as it respects 3210, $32 level. So this complete zone between rather 3220 to $32 levels is going to remain the prime support zone here for silver for the day. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD has just crossed over, trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. Not a good sign for the bulls, because see, this is also coming from a slightly higher levels. And though the lows here for silver at extremes is at around minus 40 or plus 40 zone, but it is trying to reverse from the middle of it. RSI is dropping here. Coming to the 4, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. See, lower highs, lower lows. Uh, in fact, once it trades below 32, you can expect more bearishness prevailing here. And see, on the downside, notice here that till 3160, 3140, this is going to be the prime support zone, and these levels are very much achievable. Stochastic dropping here, MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over, it is still staying in the greener side. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, moving average is crossing over here. Very good sign for the bulls. Second, after a couple of bullish candle retracement, after 3 bullish candles. Now notice the bullishness here is getting diminished. And the third here, it is completely outside Bollinger Bands, and it is failing to stay outside Bollinger Bands. See, every time it has tried to breach this, it has got a push from the upside. Now very, very important for it to break past the lows from yesterday. So once the silver price trades below the lows from yesterday, you can expect it to take a good hit, where 3170, 3150 levels should be seen, and below that a stronger correction, because see, every rise offset with a retracement, and then if it starts to retrace, it can move towards 20 period, which is right now sitting at around $31 levels. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is rising, and after this double bottom, it is looking upwards. It is still having further room for further rise. RSI rising. So looking at this, what I will recommend, see, first a buying entry today in silver is if you see it is staying above 32 40 50 levels, and yes, you can buy here at 3240 levels, but then be careful till 3260. That is a mark, that is a caution note you should keep a note of. Till 3260 you need to exercise extreme caution, because the prices are not yet bullish. Once it breaks beyond 3260, we can expect 3285, 3310, and in fact 3350 levels. But I will say on the upside now for silver also, it is going to be difficult to continue or with the rally what we had seen in the last few sessions. On the downside now, a selling entry in silver I will recommend is at 32.15, or rather, see, ideally we have to wait for $32 levels, but yes, you can take an early entry. Those who want to risk a little, you can sell at 32.15, expect 32, 31.80. And in fact, 31.80-70 should be an extremely important support zone today. And below that, you can expect 31.50-40 as the next targets. If it breaks 31.50-40, stay short for 31.20 and 31. Take your positions, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates.